My dear students of class 9, this is exercise 6.1 and question number 1. Actually, what happened? AB and CD are two lines which intersect at a point O, as it is given in figure. This is AB and CD. They intersect at a point O. OE is another ray. What are the things given? This angle AOC and plus angle BOE. This angle together is given 70 degree. Angle BOD is equal to given, this angle is equal to given, that is given 40 degree. Now what are the things you have to find out? You have to find out angle BOE. BOE means this angle you are supposed to find out. And one angle, reflex angle, that is COE is this angle. Their reflex you have to find out. You know that to get the reflex angle, you must have to, suppose reflex angle COE you have to find out. So first of all you have to find out COE angle, and after that you subtract COE plus from 360 degree, then only you are going to get COE. You see, very nicely we can do this angle plus this angle plus this angle, all these angle together make one straight angle. And straight angle means what? 180 degree. So we may write here direct. Here we are doing the solution. Here you see angle AOC. Very nicely you see AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE. You are getting what? If all these angles, this angle, then you are getting one straight angle like that. That angle is called angle AOB. Here you see AOC plus BOE already given. AOC plus BOE is what? 70 degree. So from here to there you are getting 70 degree. Now what remains? Angle COE remains, and that is equal to this angle AOE is what? A straight angle. So we can write 180 degree. You must have to write the region. What is the region? Since AOB is a straight angle. Clear? Now what happens? You see angle COE is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. This 70 degree has gone this side. Now you are getting COE is equal to 110 degree. So this is 110 degree. It's alright, COE you got. Now you tell what are the things you have to find out. BOE you have to find out. Means this angle you have to find out. How can you find out this angle BOE? Now COE you got AOC, and this angle separately you have to find out. Now think like that, COE, actually AOC separately you have not got. AOC, or it is very easy to find out. AOC and BOD are vertically opposite angles. So angle AOC is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. Angle AOC is equal to, you can write BOD. Why it is vertically opposite angle? In short, you can write BOA. Now you see AOC is equal to BOD is already given, so I am writing 40 degrees. So you see angle AOC you got, AOC you got. Again AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree, already given. You see AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degrees given. So instead of AOC, now you are supposed to write AOC is equal to, you see here 40 degree you got, so you write here 40 degree. Then BOE 70 degree. Now you tell me what happens. Angle BOE is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree. So you are getting what? Angle BOE is equal to, you are getting 30 degree. It's alright. You had to find out BOE, so you got BOE is equal to 30 degree. Now one angle you got, BOE you got. Now reflex angle COE. After that I want to rub the question. You have to find out reflex COE. Here I don't have a space, so I am writing here, or here also I can write. After that, again reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE is equal to 360 degree minus COE. I think you understood COE. So 360 degree minus COE, already we got. COE is equal to 110 degree. I am writing here 110 degree. So ultimately you are getting 250 degree you got. 250 degree you got. In this way you got the answer. Therefore we got, what are the things? Here in the last you write here. We got angle BOE is equal to, BOE I think it was asked. BOE is equal to, you got 30 degree, and reflex angle COE, reflex COE is equal to, you got 250 degree. Finished.